Aj is not my regular day in my life. Today there is okay. So the day has started, and Aj is not my regular day in my life. Today there is our quarterly team outing, and we'll be going outside. So I'll let you know the place later. But like I'm really excited for it today. Although मैं बहुत बार गया हूँ. Like last year I've gone to like 3 times, 2 with my friends and 1 from the side of Samsung. But yeah, I'm excited for today also. So let's see. But right now, I've come early today because I don't want to skip gym. So today is my chest and legs day. तो आज वही एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. And but yeah, I'm really excited for the team outing. Although there will be no work I'm going to do today. And yeah, okay, so हम बाहर जा रहे हैं. But the weather seems to be not in our support क्योंकि ऐसा लग रहा है कि rain हो सकती है. And I really don't want to have rain because most of the time बाहर रहेंगे. So मज़ा नहीं आएगा फिर अगर बारिश होगी तो. Okay, now let's hit the gym. And workout के बाद अगर थोड़ा टाइम बचा then I'll do some little work. So itinerary ऐसी रहेगी कि like we'll be leaving around 8:30 AM and breakfast, lunch, dinner सब ट्रिप में included होगा. And while returning काफ़ी लेट हो जाएगा like 9:30 PM. So आज तो काम नहीं होगा, only मज़े ही मज़े. So let me now just go to the gym and we'll get back. Okay, so workout is finished for the day, and yeah, the weather is now awesome. I hope it remains as it is throughout the day so that we can enjoy. Now let's go and get ready so that we can continue the day. After that, I went to the micro kitchen to have something, and I wanted to have something light and not very heavy, so I took chocolates. And since it's still very early in the morning, so nobody has arrived yet. After that, I thought I will take a look on the laptop very quickly. If something is there, I will finish it up and then we'll leave for the outing. Okay, अब बताने का वक्त आ गया है कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. So we are going to Wonderla and yes, मैं बहुत ज़्यादा excited हूँ. Like it's my first time. And we traveled there with the bus and it took around like 1 hour 40 minutes to reach there. And on the way, we have witnessed literally very beautiful scenery. So yes, outside Bangalore, things are very beautiful. So जब हमें tickets मिल गए and then we went inside the park and there were literally crazy rides. So this one is the new one that recently opened and this one is the roller coaster. So it's really crazy. It was traveling at a very high speed and it was very thrilling experience riding the roller coaster. And there were a lot of other rides as well, filled with lot of fun. So this one is the friendly fish zone and yes, fishes were very calm. Then we took the ride in the elevator and reached to the topmost point. So we planned to go inside the giant wheel but क्योंकि हवा बहुत strong थी तो हम नहीं जा सके. But yes, from top the scenery was beautiful. There was another ride where we have to lean on the glass and it was little scary. So इधर से हम फिर like Equinox करके एक राइड थी वहाँ पर गए. So there it was like a pendulum. So वो गोल गोल भी घूम रहा था and back and forth भी हो रहा था. So it was crazy. After that we went to a interstellar spaceship ride where there were a lot of 3D graphics, VFX and animations थी. So बहुत अच्छे से like बनाया था इसे and it was in very detail. All the scenes were literally crazy. So काफ़ी मज़ा आया इस राइड को भी करके. After all these things, we literally need to eat something. So it was also the time of lunch. So we had the lunch and I had very heavy one. After that, हम चले गए like water rides की तरफ and after having fun for 1 hour, we changed our clothes and फिर नाश्ते का भी time हो गया था. So chai samosa के बाद we went to a last ride, that is Crazy Car, and I also took part in one of the game and won a stuffed toy. So after having fun for whole day, it's time to leave. And जाते जाते like हमने बस में हरियाणवी सॉन्ग प्ले किया एंड सब लोग लिटरली वाइब कर रहे थे. सो एक घंटे की जर्नी के बाद हम पहुंच गए जहां पर हमें डिनर करना था एंड वी एट अ लॉट बिकॉज पूरे दिन मस्ती करी थी. देन वी रीच टू द ऑफिस एंड इट वॉज वेरी नाइट एट दैट टाइम. But yeah, I have to take the laptop from the office and then have to leave from there. Okay, so we are back from the outing now and I had a really an amazing day. काफ़ी मज़ा आया, बहुत ज़्यादा फन था अम्यूज़मेंट पार्क में एंड ऑल द वाटर राइड्स, एवरीथिंग वाज गुड. एंड आते आते काफ़ी टाइम लग गया. सो राइट नाउ इट्स 11:20 PM. बट या बैंगलोर ट्रैफिक का हम कुछ नहीं कह सकते. एंड वी ऑल्सो हैड द डिनर, तो उसमें भी टाइम चला गया. बट काफ़ी मज़ा आया आज का दिन. So now I will go home and yeah, it was an amazing day. So see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.